What's up guys, कैसे हो? Alone, I hope everyone is doing great. A lot of you people are concerned about Naisha because she's only 20 months old. I told you in the previous vlog that me, Pooja and Naisha have been infected by COVID. I'm doing much better now. So 90% recovery ho gaya. Hopefully in the next week I should be back to normal. Pooja is also doing pretty good except for that she's feeling a lot of weakness. And here is our darling Naisha. What cream are you putting for me? So yeah, in case you have a kid and you're worried that your kid has been infected, in case they are positive, do not fret, it's gonna be fine, okay? Don't know what happened last night. My car stopped working as in battery down ho gaya. I don't know how, but new car, November mein we got it last year November. It's been what, 7 or 8 months and battery down kaise hua yaar? Kaise hua? How? You did something, no? So what we did is we put it on charging. Hopefully it should work now. Let's see. Hopefully it should work now. In case it doesn't work, we'll call the RSA. I don't think it should be that complicated because the way the car was stuttering yesterday, I felt there is something wrong with the battery. Usually I have this bad habit of not locking the car. Once I park it, I just leave it and go. But I think some of the components are still on because I came here in the evening in the guest room and somehow my phone got connected to the car. I was trying to play some songs in my phone and it doesn't play on the phone. Then when I check Bluetooth, it says it was connected to Kia Motors. Nishi, what is this? What is this? Let's remove all this. Ka. This is like a super old charger. Literally 25 years old, I think, when we had a Fiat Padmini Premier. Okay, I see the display here. Last night this display was also not there. That means battery is charged. All these lights, nothing worked. They were working but it was like flickering. And first actually all the lights were coming, but then when I switched it on, it was like cut. It was not able to start. That is when I understood battery down ho gaya. We're not going. Just sit. She hates the car. We'll just switch it on. If it works, we're good to go. Perfecto. Low tire pressure. ఇవన్నీ బాగుంటాయి కార్లో, ఫ్యాన్సీ ఫీచర్స్. చలో అట్లీస్ట్ కార్ స్టార్టెడ్ నా. అరే బాప్రే, హెచ్యూడి कैसे ओपन हो गया यार? Talk about fancy talk किया. All symptoms are gone except that my तू यही करके पूरा बैटरी डाउन किया. अभी COVID and all that, self-isolating, self-quarantine, whatever you want to call it, it is definitely irritating because you can't step out of your house. But then there is one good thing that happens. You get time to do other things because you're not busy doing your usual work. And also I got time to clean my cupboard finally. I found that literally, let me show you. You see all these? Those are the old clothes. L size, XL size, double XL size. When I used to be fat, wo time ka kapda hai pura. And I'm not going to throw them. Most probably my dad is going to use them. Also, I started revisiting my old investments and all that. Literally since the last couple of months, I forgot about my investments. And now as a part of your investment plan, it is very important to have a balanced portfolio. Never put all your eggs in one basket. You know what happens, right? Egg basket mein pura eggs dale to if you drop that basket, all the eggs are gonna break. It's better to distribute your eggs in different baskets so that egg गिर गया तो भी at least the next 3 baskets are safe. One more example I'll give you right here. That's a pyramid. Now what does a pyramid have? A proper square base like this and a pointed tip like this. Can you balance a pyramid on this side? Can you? You cannot. It's not going to stay like this, right? So when you put your investment on one side, doesn't balance properly, dude. Put your investments in 4 different places. Then when you put it like this, it is going to be stable. Example, next level kada. Now I'm planning to distribute it in gold. It is a very low risk. Whenever you take your gold, you can go sell it anywhere on this planet. There is no person, no broker, no one who is going to say, I don't want to buy your gold. So yes, in case you're not thinking about gold investments, do it. But now it is 2021. Who is going to go sit and buy physical gold, dude? When everything is happening digitally by click of a button, even buying gold should happen like that, and that is what exactly is happening. Oh yes, now we have digital gold. I've been using Upstox Gold. You guys know that, right? It is called digital gold, where you can buy gold digitally from your phone itself. You can literally buy and sell gold at live market prices. And वो भी 24 karat 99.9% pure gold, and you can do this from anywhere. You can literally start buying and investing in gold from as low as 1 rupee, and slowly you can build up this corpus over time. Also, the gold you buy is kept in proper 100% secured vaults, so safety is not at all a concern. In fact, if you buy physical gold, you'll be worried about where to keep it. And also, there are no hidden charges when you're getting digital gold. All you have to pay is 3% GST, that is like mandatory. And also, buying physical gold is definitely a hassle because you end up paying making charges, you end up paying commissions to the jeweler. Storage is a problem. Safety is a big concern. I'm assuming most of my subscribers are youngsters, so I think this is the right time to build a proper portfolio for yourself. There's a link in the description box below called Upstox Gold app. You can go download the app. It's free, and the moment you open the account, you get e-gold worth 51 rupees already. You can literally start investing in minutes. COVID patients reporting live from Kotaru's house. COVID patient 1, 2, 3. How are you feeling?
A little better.
We are all feeling much better. I think I am back to normal, almost 90% normal. She is not that okay. Thing is, she is having a lot of weakness. She has to take care of Naisha as well. Though she has a lot of fever and all that during COVID, like when she had like proper COVID, she had to take care of Naisha as well. So that was like more taxing for her. We're so bored.
Exhausted.
Exhausted to hai, because I'm so used to going out every single day. Since the lockdown opened last year, 2020 ka lockdown, since the day it opened, next day I started going out like literally every single day. Now, I'm stuck since the last 12 days, almost 12 days.
Yeah, right.
And I can't take it, dude. I need to quickly get my report. If it's positive, sorry, if it is negative. If it is negative, I start going out. I mean, I'll be careful
Not
and all
right
that.
now.
Not right now,
After
obviously.
some time.
After government officially says you can go out, then I think that's gonna take quite some time.
You have to get tested on Friday again.
Yeah, this Friday I'm gonna get tested. I'm hoping I'm gonna get negative.
Of course, who wants to
Yeah,
be
I'm
positive?
perfect.
I'm
perfect.
also missing my work and everything. I haven't worked for close to 10 days.
Oh, by the
More
way,
than
how do you
one.
feel? You're not working since the last.
Actually, because I'm
1 week?
exhausted, it's okay. I'm just resting after taking care of Naisha. So I don't think I'm missing anything right now. I just want to get well soon. Sorry. Whatever.
But it's different, na? It's like a small vacation,
It's-
irritating vacation for sure. Because you
Please.
can't go out. You
I
have a
hope
nice
nobody
vacation.
gets such a
Don't need to
super
work.
vacation.
You don't need to attend to emails. You don't need to go for video conferences. You can't
Please,
do
I
anything.
prefer that life than this. This is horrible.
And this is nice
This
for
is
some
very
time.
depressing.
For some time, it's nice, no?
No, I don't like it.
I liked
People who
it.
are active is like
5 to 6 days, it was fine. 7, 8, 9, 10 days, I'm going back mad. One more thing we are enjoying. Not enjoying actually.
what?
Food. At least
What
me,
is
because
enjoying in that? Trying to order home food as much as we can. I'm bored of idli dosa.
for me
now.
that is also fine here, because all the time I'm eating my chicken, grilled fish, all that, right? Diet food,
We're having
oats.
eggs every day.
At least me now, I'm able to order something that I can eat, like I usually don't eat. Something like dosa, idli, upma, vada, all that kind of stuff. But then, problem is, my sense of smell is gone down now.
It's coming and going.
It's coming back now, but the last 2-3 days, waste. Pura gaya.
Aisha, what are you doing, beta?
And I
Kya
couldn't
kar rahi ho?
smell my food. I have
Kya
taste.
kar rahi ho?
By the way, I can feel taste. You can feel taste?
On and off.
On and off क्या होता है रे? I can feel taste, but then smell. Without smell, taste doesn't make sense for me. Right now, I don't have smell.
This I can taste very well. What you gave.
This is vitamin C tablets we are eating. From morning, we have to have at least 12 to 13 tablets.
Horrible.
अभी vitamin C खा रहा. I'm giving her protein shake as well, which she's not liking. All the healthy food she doesn't like. Give her all the junk, she'll say, wow, yum.
What is junk?
Give her
I eat
healthy food.
everything.
Healthy
I
food,
eat
I'm giving her whey protein. Acha, expensive whey protein. Cashew nuts I'm giving. She's like, chee. Dry fruits I'm giving. Chee. Usko dekh.
क्या कर रही है आयशु?
I don't know about you, but I'm super excited. I'm actually waiting for something.
Your bike.
Yes.
जिसको कोरोना में भी बाइक घूम रही है.
I paid half the amount. Or half is like loan, which is
अभी
almost
कहाँ
done.
चलाएगा बाइक?
घर पे. I'll
घर
put
पे
it
ही
in the
चला
lawn.
तू लॉन में ही चला अभी.
Lawn में रख के at least I'll see it, dude.
और कहीं
Otherwise I'm getting dreams. No. She kept it here. Nice, you get it out, come. Yeah, so that one thing I'm very excited about. I want my bike now. I want to see it down. बहुत दिन हो गए. This is the first time where I paid my advance. Not everything I paid advance actually. I have to give another half of the amount, loan amount, which is almost processed. I just need to send it to the dealership. Once it's done, then I can go get my bike. Almost 50-60% payment done, but I don't have my bike here. I want my bike now. I'll go get it. Jaldi I'll get myself tested by Friday, and Saturday I'll go get it if I'm negative.
I'll come with you for the first ride.
And this is the
lawn.
first, huh?
In the lawn, I'll come with you first ride.
First time in the lawn.
Then where are we going to take it?
GSA
Pura lockdown
Adventure
hai abhi, nobody-
1250, the king of adventures, and we're gonna do the first ride in the lawn. Wrong timing, yaar. I can't even go out. I'll have to spend it. At least I'll sit in the lawn and watch it. I'll take it in. I'll feel it, sink it. That is the best thing we can do right now. This girl doesn't know what is COVID, what is happening. She's busy. And you know one of the main reasons मेरा COVID क्यों नहीं जा रहा? You know that? This fan.
It's not the fan, it's your head.
You see, always it is like this. I hate coming into this room for this reason. Every time I come here, it is like helicopter. She always wants the fan like this. And sometimes raat mein she'll put the AC as well. It's literally like coming into a fridge. You can store vegetables here. Nothing will happen throughout the year because it's so cold, this room. Okay, 24 degrees she'll put. 24, 22 she'll put if I'm not there. If I'm there, it'll be 24. But this fan will be standard speed. There's no regulator working here. It will always be on 5 like this.
Yeah, because
See, my vlog is getting disturbed because of you. Irritating. My COVID would go by now if this fan was not
hey
there.
liar, you're not even sleeping with me.
Yeah, that is because of this fan in COVID situation. I don't want to take a risk.
Look at him, poor Pucho.
Alright, as you can see, I started ordering some accessories for the bike, and this is the exciting part for me. Whenever you get a bike, the second thing you need to do is start ordering accessories. First priority is definitely going to be luggage system. After that, a couple of things that protect the bike, something like crash. Actually, this bike gets everything, but a few things I need to add. Actually, I have a whole list. I'm not going to order right away because abhi tak I did not even take the delivery of the bike. So, but one thing, I'm going to put everything in a cart and keep it at different sites. And most of the stuff is obviously not from India. So we have to get it from outside. So it's gonna take at least a month or maybe more than that. Abhi se start karna planning so that by the time I have the bike and by the time I start my rides, I don't know when that is gonna happen, but let's keep everything ready. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and do not forget to check the link in the description box. Make sure to download the Upstocks Gold app. It is free, and upon successful opening of an account, you will get 51 rupees worth e-gold. Trust me, give it a thought. I think this is your right age. You have to create an investment portfolio for yourself. This is how you make money, because like I always believe in, this is one of the principles I would like to follow. I would love to follow. You shouldn't be working for money. Money should start working for you at some point of time in your life. So then I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.